Father's Day presents. You rock, Dad.
Right, and we think he will love this and he can put this on his desk. And this is just a way to show our dads how much we really do love them. So, let's get started. So I sent Esther to the neighbor's house because they have a nice little pile of like those river rocks for the rocks for this project that we're doing.
So this is what you need. A hot glue gun or any type of glue that it should be strong. And a picture frame and our template.
Or a picture frame. You want to hold up the picture frame, Eleanor? Or the actual, say we used a cardboard one, or you can use an actual picture. Like a cheap picture frame, like from the dollar store. Go ahead.
And scissors. Pencil would be nice. And our template, and you can draw anything else.
Now let me show the template. Here's our template, and you can download this very template here at www.catholicfamilycelebrations.com. So your kids could color it, or like I said, they could be creative and draw their own. But we are using, of course, You Rock That or something like that.
And
then how about these?
And in markers and any type of river rocks.
All right. So let's get started.
So
first thing there's lots of ways we could start with this. Do you want to start with the coloring the picture first? You want to do that first? All right.
Okay, that's a yes.
Good.
Now let's cut it out first so we can have our own.
Let's cut it out so you can have your own. Let me cut one for you, Eleanor, and you can start coloring that. And Eleanor's is a 5x7. Esther's is a 4x6, but it doesn't matter too much. I still left that actually a little bit bigger in there.
Time to glue the rocks on.
Yes, and we are going to use a glue gun, and then we're also going to try to use glue to see which method that we like.
Yeah.
I think with a harder frame, yes, we have our pictures done. Those are great pictures, Eleanor. Right here, I'm going to just put the glue on here. And I don't know if you want your child using the glue gun or not. That's up to you to decide. So we'll continue this with the hot glue gun to see if we can get those rocks to stick. And then on this one over here, we're going to try...
This one's not sticky, Mom.
Tacky glue. Yeah, I need to put more glue there. You can try either tacky glue, or if you put Elmer's glue on thick enough, I think that will hold too. I've taken the lid off, so we're just going to pour this glue right out, hopefully. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, I was hoping it wouldn't get too much. Okay, it's a lot, Mom.
It's a lot. We're just going to pile this on here, and then we're going to spread it out. And we'll be able to put a rock on that too. So we'll work on this for a little bit, and we'll get back to you when we're done.
It's so huge.
Yeah, we need a lot of glue.
Will the hot glue stay?
The hot glue is supposed to stay. What a lot of people do when they put things on frames.
Okay.
And we've got nice thick tacky glue here, which of course is going to take a little while to dry.
Yeah.
But that's okay. All right, Eleanor, you have your rocks you want to stick on there?
Yeah. Give her hers. Here, these are hers. Now just put rocks, okay?
Here you go, sweetheart. Get those rocks on there. Yep, that's right.
Okay.
Can we help
can
you?
help me do
Yes, I sure can. Good job. All right, so we're trying the two methods here. We'll see. What's this one starting to come out? All right, ready?
Yes,
Just keep on pushing. You just keep putting them on.
I'm sorry. Focus. I can't give it to you. But if I could, I would.
The glue gun worked great, so I recommend that. And we will see how the other one works too. And I'm assuming that it's going to work good too because we have that tacky glue on there nice and thick. Now our next step will be, after you wait for your glue to dry, is to put the picture in it.
Yes, so you want to take, if it's like a cardboard one, you just want to tape it. But if it's like a glass one, you want to just do it like how you normally put it in a picture. Have to cut. No, I don't want.
All right. Okay, you want to show us the finished product?
This is the Father's Day present.
Very nice. And he can put that on his desk and be reminded of you.
So, you see this cardboard thing that we made? It makes it so the thing can stand. And it's like, and so you don't have to like prop it on a wall or something. And here.